Hi kids, I'm the Doodle Wing Dragon, and today with Theo, my son, we made a transformer, Optimus Prime Day. Actually transforms. How cool is that? And you can fold it back up and it will transform again. And this one is 3D and has the trailer, the truck, which is attached. And when he transforms, it's like he's parked it off in the distance somewhere. And he's being a transformer. How cool is that? All right, keep watching to find out how to do it. All right, Theo, what do you want to make today?
How about we make Optimus Prime?
Optimus Prime?
With the trailer.
With a trailer in 3D. This sounds very difficult, Theo, but let's have a go. So the first thing we want to do is get our page. And you're going to, roughly halfway from left to right, you're going to do a line starting like a little bit down. No, not from the top. Just from about like here, say. Roughly, and you go down about that far with a pencil, okay?
That far.
And then we're going to make it into a square on the right-hand side, but the square's going to have a little bit, like, not quite a square, because the lines are going to be coming together a little bit. See how I made them? They're not quite straight. And you do the front there. Yep. And then join them up with a straight up and down line.
Yeah, got it.
Cool. So this is quite an important shape we've just done, because this is going to be the thing that controls how we do our folding and everything. So you ready to start folding? Because we're going to do the folding before we start drawing properly. Okay, so pick up your page, turn it over, and start folding one side down, the top or the bottom, until you see the line you just drew. And then you're going to fold it along that line, but all the way from side to side. Cool. And then you're going to fold it back.
But it's up.
But make sure it's, so it's kind of straight. So like when I fold it back, I'm folding it so that this line of the page along this side is matching that line at the bottom.
Like sort of
like
this.
Exactly right. Like this. Yep. So it's kind of, it ends up, so this line is matching the line at the bottom of the page. Okay. So I'm going to do it too.
And do we do it back on the other side?
And we do the same at the bottom. So then you do the same on the other side.
But the bottom.
But the bottom. But this time when you fold it back, give it more. Like, so I'm going to leave like this much before I fold it. So that it only just sticking, so it's only just sticking out. But again, try to make it straight. Try to make it straight. So turn it this way a little bit. Yeah, so it's straight. That's right. Doesn't matter too much if it's not straight.
Basically like this.
So on the back, mine looks like
that.
Like this. And then on the front, it looks like this. Okay, so we've still got two more lines there. Those are the sides. So we're going to do exactly the same thing with the sides, okay? But you leave it folded on the other ones. Fold it over till you see the line. And then fold it. Whoop, careful. Ooh, I think I just made a mistake.
Then you leave it back.
Mistakes are fine. And then fold it back so it just sticks out.
Like that.
Yeah, good.
Like, so this is how much?
Roughly, So it'll stick out about that much when you're done.
So the next side, and we do the same?
Do the same, but this time give it more. Like, so, because you've got to fit a whole trailer in there.
And maybe we could have it, not as just like that.
Yep.
So its heaps got sticking out.
Yeah.
So like basically. Like,
so I'll show you all what it looks like on my one. Yeah. So at the back it looks like this, and at the front it looks like that. But you need to give it. I need to give it more. So see, I haven't left enough room on this side, so I'm actually going to unfold it and give it more there, so it's sticking out more. Because you have to be able to draw the trailer.
I did that.
There we go. I just gave myself more.
What do we do?
Have you got room for the trailer? Yes, you do. Good job. All right. So now we're going to get our pencils again. And so you've got this shape here.
Like, go do that.
Yeah, the shape here, but then and you draw another square, kind of like that one, but it's coming out this side.
Got it.
With it already still folded, so you keep it folded. See? So I end up with, it looks like another shape the same as that one, but going out this side.
Like that.
Yes, good. So that is the shape of the truck.
And then you'll basically just do some wheels, but we're going to do that later.
So now let's do some wheels on the trailer. So 2 wheels at the back of the trailer part.
Good idea.
It'll be the trailer.
And then we just do this cabin. And then we do a cabin.
Draw lines around it if you want to. Yeah.
That's
the
cool, right?
wheel arch. And then what you want to do is use your pencil to use this like it's a ruler and draw a line along that so that when you open it a bit, you can see that line. Yeah, there you go.
Like that.
And do the same on the top. And the same, but very gently. Same on the side here on the front. Yeah.
But we're going to do that after.
Yeah. So now
Maybe just
we're
like
drawing Optimus Prime in truck mode. So you can draw, for example, you can put a couple wheels sticking out the bottom at the front there. And you draw the front of his body, which is the front of the truck. And just do it, don't do it too hard because we're going to color it in and we're going to use pen to do it more later on, okay? So
Like
you can
that.
do this like whatever version of Optimus Prime you want to do. Make up your own one. That's fine. I'm doing one which is kind of a little bit sci-fi.
Yeah.
And I'm just using pencil so it doesn't matter too much how you do it. Because you can always change it with pencil. That's why we use pencil first.
I
I
don't
don't like my one.
very much.
No, but it's okay. Doesn't matter if you don't like it. It's important to just keep going because then you learn more.
Maybe you could like put a giant and maybe a little gun over there.
Oh, maybe. Well, we'll see.
And then there could be like a gun platform on top of there, maybe.
Good job. Okay, so now see the corners. We're going to do our first transformation. See these corners? Corner, corner.
Wait, I've not finished that part.
Good. How's it going? Good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Maybe.
At this point, what you can do is use the scissors to chop off that extra bit on the front. And that way the whole thing ends up being square when it's folded up.
Yeah, good idea.
You want to do that? Try to just make it so it's square when it's folded up.
Yeah, nice.
So just do a straight line up there. Yep. All the way up.
Just all.
Make sure you get the folded bits too. Yep. And then you can chop the nose off.
Chip that nose. Naughty nose face.
Not too far, not too close to the.
Like that.
Good job. Okay. So now we're going to do our first transform. Grab one corner and the opposite corner, and you just pull, and it opens all the way up. Yep.
Oh.
So put it down on the table, and this is the part where. Now look, it's a funny shape because we cut it. That's cool though.
Yeah,
So
weird.
get your pencil, and we're going to draw just quickly, very loosely, draw the front of the trailer. It's again that same sort of
Mine's
square
gonna be a
shape.
tall trailer, maybe.
Okay, that's
Mine's just
cool.
gonna end up like that.
But do it lightly because we're going to draw some other stuff on top of
And
it.
I'm gonna put like some buttons and a screen.
Okay.
And a screen like with like a transformer on it.
Okay. So how about we get
opponent.
how about we get the rest of the body roughly drawn before we start on the details,
good
eh?
idea.
Okay. And shall we draw the head first? So
The head.
Optimus's head, you go up and pretty much just do a box sticking out the top. And then you draw a line down,
Nice.
2 lines, because he's got the left and right side of his head. Yep. And then in the middle, draw a line across. Then at the bottom of those, you make the eyes. Yeah, like that. Yep. Move your hand so we can see. Good. And then you just want to do something like that.
Maybe
and
like
that's going to be
this.
his mouth guard thing.
Maybe like this
Yep.
then.
Whatever shape you want to do, that's cool.
With tiny things.
With tiny things, yeah, that's cool. Now, out the side, we're doing one arm. So you draw a big shoulder guard, which is this kind of shape.
Good idea.
Do you see?
And it can be like over there.
And the same on the other side, but smaller, because it's further. Now, remember, you're going to be colouring over the top of it.
Yeah, which means you won't see part of it.
That's fine. Now, don't do it that tall.
Oh, whoopsies.
Just a bit. Yeah,
I'll rub out that maybe.
that's fine. And then out the bottom of this, we're going to do another big square shape, oblong shape there. And that's going to be his arm. And you do the
Well,
other
that's sort of fine because look,
Yeah.
that now connects the big.
And you're going to do the same on the other side. Same shoulder and arm on the other side, like I've done. See?
That one's a bit better.
Yep. Cool. And then you want to do the hand. So the hand is literally just a block sticking out, and then you do a thumb block. So see how I just do a block
Yeah.
and then like a block for the thumb. And now on the back of the arm, watch me. It's careful on the, see that square you did? Do another little one sticking out the side.
Good idea. That makes it a bit 3D.
Makes it 3D, that's right. And the shoulder too, sticking out the side. And then you connect the arm to the shoulder with a couple of lines. See those lines there?
Yeah,
Connect
like
the arm.
that.
Yeah, although you've got a lot of stuff going on there. There's a rubber here if you want to use it.
I could do that.
Sure.
How about that?
The same on the other side. Now we're going to do the legs. So first, you're going to draw the bottom of the legs, and then we're going to join them up. So see where you've done the wheels down the bottom?
Yeah.
It's a bit silly because he's going to look funny.
What if we draw a car there and he's standing on the car?
You reckon? Okay, well, watch me.
No, actually, nah.
I'm going to do it. Watch this. You said it now. I have to do it. Draw the side of the car, and then we're going to draw lines coming out and join them up again, and that makes it 3D. See? See how that looks kind of 3D?
But then you have to do the wheels.
Windows.
Wheels.
The wheels are, or yeah, I'll connect the wheel. Yeah,
No,
the top of
a
the
tiny
wheels.
bit wheels to make it more 3D because now it
Oh,
looks
wheels at the okay. And then Optimus's leg will be standing. Do a big square and a one on the front of it, on top of the car. And then we're going to do that's the knee. Do you think you can do that?
I'm just going to put them on that.
Just normal legs. Okay, I'm going to do him with his legs, stompy legs, standing
I'm
on
just
top
going to
of the
make that
car.
look a bit better.
I'm going to draw. So don't forget his belt too. Do that bit there for the belt, and then a belt buckle thing in the
Belt
middle.
buckle.
So start with the big belt area. Yep, and then something in the middle.
Maybe just like that.
Yep,
For
that's fine. And then something in the middle, like a buckle.
Transformers, like
You can do a logo there, but first we're going to connect the legs on. We do the big shapes before we do the small shapes. The big shapes are the legs coming down. Okay.
a big block.
Yep. So you can do, well, a big block with the knee on the top of it, and then another block, which is the thigh.
Just this. My one's probably going to have one fat leg and one skinny leg.
One fat leg and one skinny leg. So I'm just going to add some details now to the front of his leg. Right. So guess what? Now it's colouring in time, and I think everyone knows how to colour in, but first I'm going to do the outlines with a black pen. So you can have this black pen and start doing the outlines.
Yeah.
And let's just go ahead and do those outlines. I'll fast forward this bit. And then once we've done the outlines, we're going to do the colouring in, and I'll fast forward that bit too. All right? 3, 2, 1, go. All right, that's the lines done. Good job. But now we're going to colour in. So grab the colours you need. You want to start with the red and the blue? Okay, I'll
And
use
the greys.
a different blue. How about you? Yep, and we can use different pens. And
Wait, I'll use this one.
whatever colour you want your transformer to be, go.
Finished.
Good job. I'm going to start folding mine up. First you put the top in, and the bottom. And then the sides. The top goes in, the bottom goes in first, and then the sides last. Exactly how you folded it the first time. Yeah, that's it. And now the other side.
Whoopsies.
Oopsie, that's okay.
My wheels
Good
look
job.
a tiny bit weird. My wheels look a tiny bit
That's
weird.
fine.
Look.
Squeeze it all together, and then what you do is hold it up. That's your one. And you're going to grab the corners, and you go make the noise. I'll do it too. Here we go. I am Optimus Prime. Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Good.
Did a good
really
job?
Like it.
Yeah, I thought you did a great job.
And Coco Kong.
Whoa, whoa.
I see Coco Kong.
And he's got the trailer there too. And when he's in truck mode, the trailer is attached. But then when he goes into robot mode, it comes off. It looks like it's parked behind him. So that's pretty cool, eh? High five, Ted. Good job. Make sure you all like and subscribe. We're going to keep these coming. Bye, everyone.
Hey.